Hi, in this video we're going to look at position vectors. We're going to look at calculating them in component form and in magnitude and direction form. So we've got a question written down for the vectors OA and OB. Calculate vector BA and state it in component form. Now the easiest way I find to do these is to draw a diagram. That's always a great strategy. If you can visualize it, it can be a lot easier to work out what you need to do. So let's have a draw of these vectors. So OA is 1 across and 2 down, somewhere about there. And OB is 2 across and 4 up, so somewhere about there. Let's label our points. So O always refers to the origin. This is point A and this is point B. We want to find vector starting at B and moving to A. So we're after this vector here. Now when we're working out the vector, we want to start at the tail of the vector and work our way to the tip of the vector. So the way that we can look at this is we want to go in, that's a terrible color choice, we want to go in this direction and this direction. So this first vector here, that is just negative OB because we're in the opposite direction. So we've got negative OB plus, and this second vector is just OA. So I can say that my vector BA are these two. Negative OB is -2, -4, plus OA, 1, -2. We get -1, -6. So if we're looking at that blue vector, it's going down 6 and it's going across 1 in the negative direction. And that's how we can work out the position vector from point B to point A. We can also work that out in magnitude and direction. So how we would go about doing this is if I want to find the magnitude of BA, we've just got x squared plus y squared. Oops, plus -6 squared. That's going to be root 37. And that can't simplify. If we are looking at our direction, we'll draw another little diagram. We're -1 across and 6 down, so we're somewhere about this. 1, 6, we look at our acute angle first. Theta, inverse tan of opposite on adjacent. We get a theta of inverse tan 6. 80.53. From the positive x-axis, we've got 180 plus 80. Let's call that big one here, theta 1. And that should be 260.53 degrees. And we've worked it out in terms of magnitude and direction. So they're position vectors. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you for the next one. This video accompanies a worksheet series that aims to develop conceptual understanding with vectors. If you'd like to access the worksheet, click in the description below.